In this video, we're going to be installing shingle clips on the shingles. So we've got a couple here already going. So what you're going to do, you're going to fold these two tabs up. Go ahead, you're going to pop that light in there, like so. Just make sure these are back so they can dig into the shingles. Slide it right in. Stretch it out as needs be. Got one. So continuously do it. Always make sure these are folded back. Slide it right in. Pop your light right in as well. Keep sure all that slack's good. Make sure it looks pretty. You can continue all the way up.